kids! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to read the treasure map. So, are you ready to listen to this story? Then, let's start. The treasure map. Looks like Patrick found something. What have you found, Patrick? Oh wow, a treasure map. I wonder where it leads to. Shall we follow the map and find out? Well, okay then. Let's go! Let's take a look at our treasure map. First, we need to visit Archie's house. Followed by a walk to Pineapple Pond. And finally, a trip to the top of Cupcake Mountain. Where we will find the treasure. Getting to Archie's house is easy, but Patrick doesn't know the way to Pineapple Pond. Maybe Archie knows the way. Yes, Archie knows the way to Pineapple Pond. Would you like to join us on our pirate adventure, Archie? Okay, welcome aboard First Mate Archie. Now let's go find the treasure. Next stop, Pineapple Pond. So, we got here, okay? But how do we get across to the other side? Do you have any ideas? Now there's an idea. We can jump on the pineapples to get across. We made it! What is next on our map? Do you remember? That's right! Cupcake Mountain! But how do we find the way? Do you see any clues that could help us find the way to Cupcake Mountain? The crumbs? Yes, we can follow the crumbs to Cupcake Mountain. We made it to Cupcake Mountain! It's not easy to reaching the top of the mountain. Pirates Patrick and first mate Artie need to get past the chocolate syrup waterfall. Cross the sinking sands of Cookie Barrel River. Not to mention the sugar cube stairway. What a journey! Patrick and Artie made it to the top of Cupcake Mountain. I wonder where the treasure is. Hang on a minute. Do you see Kevin? What are you doing up here, Kevin? Kevin made the treasure map. He wanted to share his treasure with Patrick and Artie. So, what is the treasure, Kevin? A picnic with cake! Patrick and Artie are very happy to share the treasure with Kevin. We did it! We found the treasure. Excellent work, me hearties. The end. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Then, see you on next video. Goodbye.